Family is one of the most important aspects of life in the Arab world. Connections and loyalties are very strong. Visiting and celebrating with each other in different occasions is considered from main customs and traditions. In some countries and regions, they maintain as tribes and clans, and they follow some rules like I and my brother are against my cousin, and I and my cousin are against stranger. Parents play an essential role in family life. In some parts, fathers go to work and spend money on family, and mothers stay home and raise children. It doesn't mean that women are illiterate. On the contrary, sometimes they're doctors and engineers or even scholars, but they sit to teach and raise their children. When children get older, they don't move. They stay with their parents and they take care of them when they need. Even when they get married, they don't move. They live at the same building with their parents in a different apartment, or surprisingly, in some parts, they live at the same apartment. Respecting old people of the family is mandatory, religiously and traditionally. Even kissing parents' hand. However, this isn't always the case, but at least the opposite. Still weird and unacceptable for most people. And now it's learning time. In this video, we're going to be learning a few things. Family members, the possessive determiner ma in Arabic. And last but not least, 3 important verbs with family. The word for family in Arabic is usra, usra, or aila, aila. There will be a little bit of a discussion around these 2 words, but not now. And now let's learn family members, or afradu al-usra, afradu al-usra. Mother, ab, father, akh, brother, ukht, sister, jad, grandfather, jadda, grandmother. The possessive determiner my in Arabic. So, على سبيل المثال, على سبيل المثال. For example, how to say my father, just by adding long vowel ya at the end of the word, or the E sound at the end of the word. So, the word ab would be abi, abi. The word would be ummi, akh, akhi, ukht, ukhti. How to use man in Arabic? The word man means who. The word man means who. We all remember that we have learned how to ask about something with ma hada, ma hada. But what if you were asking about someone, about a person? Would you say ma hada? If you said ma hada, that would be an insult. That's why we use man. For example, على سبيل المثال. If you want to ask, who is this? من هذا. Let's take some examples. من هذا. هذا أبي. ومن هذه. هذه أمي. ومن هذا. هذا جدي. ومن هذه. أختي. Great. هذا جيد. And last but not least, important verbs. Now, I'm going to be teaching you just 2 verbs that we use in daily life with family. The first verb is أعيش. I live. Second verb is أحب. I love. أحب. For example, على سبيل المثال, أنا أعيش مع أسرتي. أنا أعيش مع أسرتي. I live with my family. أنا أحب أسرتي. أنا أحب أسرتي. I love my family. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you practice, because practice makes perfect. Thank you again and see you in the next video. مع السلامة.